When NASA launched its first space shuttle, re-entering the Earth's atmosphere generated so much heat that it not only threatened the mission, but also the lives of the crew. Because of this, NASA developed a ceramic tile that covered the front end of the shuttle. The intense heat was deflected, and a billion-dollar problem was solved. Using NASA's experience, ThermaCoat developed an advanced radiant barrier coating with space-age insulation properties. This space-age wonder product is having a tremendous impact on the environment we live in and is a revolutionary approach to the coating industry worldwide. So whether you're earthbound or spacebound, ThermaCoat provides space-age solutions to down-to-earth problems. ThermaCoat's unique radiation-controlled coating for roofs and walls is, without a doubt, a coating material for the future. A test strip of mild steel treated with half a millimeter layer of ThermaCoat in the middle and exposed to the tip of the flame of a blowtorch in effect of 1000 degrees Celsius on one side of the strip will prevent any heat transfer to the other side. Without ThermaCoat's radiant heat barrier properties, the conduction of heat would become unbearable almost immediately. So, why is ThermaCoat so effective? As the blowtorch emits heat, the test strip absorbs heat and transfers it to the hand. With a coating of ThermaCoat, the radiant heat is deflected, absorbed, and dissipated. Like the blowtorch, when solar heat radiates across a roof, the surface temperature of the roof rises, resulting in 75 to 90% heat buildup inside the building. With ThermaCoat, 75% of the heat is repelled in the direction of the source, allowing little heat transfer into the building, therefore reducing the temperature by up to 45%. ThermaCoat furthermore has an ultraviolet resistance of 96% and a solar reflectance of over 80%, and an emissivity, which is the ability of the product to re-radiate, of 90%, which is as nearly good as a mirror. ThermaCoat's high thermal properties are due to millions of ceramic beads that cluster together and provide dead airspace. When applied, this liquid acrylic emulsion dries and forms an elastomeric heat shield. Because of this, it reduces inside temperatures very dramatically. Unlike other roofing systems, ThermaCoat is so simple in application and dramatic in results. When ThermaCoat is applied, the surface is cleaned, prepared, and any loose roof fasteners is reinforced, replaced, or tightened. Reinforcing is applied to seams when needed, and 2 coats of ThermaCoat are sprayed on. Once applied, the coating chemically converts rust into iron phosphate and stops continued erosion. It will also seal and waterproof the roof, apart from forming the radiant heat barrier, and eliminates 80% of the very destructive thermal shock, a major cause of roof degradation and water leakage. ThermaCoat is available in a variety of pastel colors and are identified according to their product application. ThermaCoat is for metal surfaces and could be easily applied directly to rust, converting iron oxide into iron phosphate, preventing further rust problems. ThermaCoat can be used on surfaces that reach up to 180 degrees Celsius without a polymerization breakdown. The features have been verified by international testing methods. These tests verify that ThermaCoat is extremely resistant to fire, wind, rain, chemicals, abrasions, and fungal growth. ThermaCoat is also highly adhesive, flexible, waterborne, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. Because of ThermaCoat's amazing space-age insulation properties, the application possibilities of these products are endless. Due to its super effective radiant heat barrier properties, ThermaCoat is without doubt today's most revolutionary coating product in the world. Because it reduces temperatures dramatically by up to 45% by thermal insulation, it stops thermal aging and thermal shock by reducing ultraviolet penetration and degradation. It eliminates blistering, peeling, cracking, and fading. It converts rust and increases metal life. It cuts air conditioning and refrigeration equipment running costs. It reduces risks of serious burns caused by high surface temperature on metals and is a first-rate waterproofing medium. ThermaCoat is the most advanced insulating radiant barrier coating available. So whether you're earthbound or spacebound, count on ThermaCoat to provide space-age solutions to down-to-earth problems. ThermaCoat will reduce temperature up to 45%, cut cooling costs up to 40%, reduce UV penetration up to 96%, improve environmental conditions, prolong cooling equipment life, eliminate thermal shock, in other words, expansion and contraction. Plus, stops peeling, cracking, and fading, converts rust into iron phosphate, seals and waterproofs, increases metal life, which will in turn save you money.